Hello Foxes, it's me, Firefox115, and I just wanted to first come out and say that this video is about Five Nights at Freddy's, so if that's not really your forte, then you might want to just back out now, because this is just a bunch of theories and my reactions to Smike's theories. If you don't know who Smike is one of my favorite channels. I've actually subscribed to him, so you should probably go subscribe to him right now if you are still watching. He is the one that I trust pretty much with most of the facts and rumors and stuff, and like when the third game's gonna come out and stuff. I really depend on him, and it made me laugh when he started playing the actual game, and he didn't have an actual idea of what he was doing. Okay, off track. So I wanted to point, I've actually watched pretty much every single Five Nights at Freddy's videos that he's made. So I wanted to point out some of the flaws and some of my own theories on what's happening in this Five Nights at Freddy's restaurant and what's happening in the game. So in one of his videos, he was talking about one of the rarest screens, which on the walls where some of the posters are, where there's drawings of kids with this stuff, and sometimes that wall will either be filled with images of crying children, like little drawings of crying children, and the message is "It's me." So those things I actually think mean something together, and I think it means because he even says himself, and I believe it as well, that the images of crying children look a lot like the marionette. And he has actually done a video where he says that the marionette is behind everything. So I wanted to point out that since the marionette is behind everything, and those pictures represent the marionette, if they do, I'm just saying if they do, then the writing where it says "It's me" on it, "It's me" everywhere, and he says that the marionette is also present during the first game. I think it's because I think it's the marionette trying to try to explain itself and admit and telling you that it was him who had done it, and he is admitting he is sorry, and he wants to be alive again, and he just really doesn't want to be haunting the place anymore. He's sorry, he wants to get out of there. And I think that's okay, because really he's just trying to save his friends, because he's afraid the purple guy is going to go after that, which is Fritz or something like that, what he said in his other video. And and that's what I think. And also, there's also the other theory on where the phone guy is Freddy, and that this is actually two of his theories. Freddy Spirit was a girl, and that the phone guy is Freddy. And I actually agree with the first one, but the second one I do not, because when you're in the game, when you're actually in the game and you hear the laugh. He said that soundtrack, he looked in the thing, and it was that it was actually a girl laughter, only changed so that way it's Freddy's laughter. So I had an idea that sounds a lot like the demonic voice that you hear on the fifth night. The other times, I think that it's actually Bonnie leaving the messages to you, because Freddy is not a very logical choice, because he is because either that, or actually I think it's Foxy, because you can also in the game you can hear Foxy doing his little song dum 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 dum, like that thing. And I think that since he actually has a working sound box, I think it's because he is trying, because people think he's the cause of the bite of 87, and the other ones really don't like him. They object his presence, and they don't play with him. That's why he's discontinued pretty much. Well, not discontinued, but he's out of order permanently. And I think that it's probably Foxy, because he tries to tell you what it is. Like, I think that you should do the significance of the light of the door lights, and like he's kind of your tutorial. And when like the fifth night, when he gets attacked, the fifth and the fourth night, I think it's the fourth night when he gets attacked, the demonic voice, I think, is Freddy, and Freddy probably got Foxy, and that is probably why Foxy is out of order, because Freddy actually dysfunctioned him. Because that's like that's already set up for it. That's already set up for it and all, and Foxy's been discontinued been out of order from the first night. So I think it's Foxy, like, trying to give you help, trying to let you know what to do, so that way you can survive the nights, because he really doesn't like the other ones. So I think he's trying to, like, help you get ready for when they're about to kill you. So, and also when like, you're probably asking yourself, well, he also says to keep an eye on Foxy. Well, it's probably so that way you try to think that it's not Foxy, and you get other suspicions that it's another character. But I'm pretty dang sure that it's Foxy. I think that's all I'm going to say for this video, because I'm kind of running out of time on this iPad, so I'm going to sign out with the butterfly high five. Once again, go visit Smike, Smike's channel, to let him know to watch this video, please. And thank you so much for watching, Foxes. I will see you later. Bye. Signing out the butterfly high five. Bye.